You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say this word in French. How do you say name, a name? In French, how do you pronounce this word? Nom, nom. Essentially, the O and the M form this on sound, just like it would when you say non in French, like no in French. Non, so do not say nom. The M is not really silent, but it combines with the O to form this on sound, the same as it would with an N. Nom is how you say name in French, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.